Hi Ingrid, my name is Daphne, one of the essay correctors here at IELTSpodcast.com. Thank you for sending in your essay to get some feedback. So you've done IELTS before and you're going to try it again for a master's. Okay. So some people who've been in prison become good citizens later. Not all of them, just some. And it's often argued these are the best people to talk to teenagers about the dangers of committing a crime. So we need to really focus on that little bit of the question. What we recommend you do is very quickly do some planning. So you can do a little table like this. This is what we taught you about on the course. So are they the best? And who else might be suitable to do this job? So watch out. Many believe that past prisoners who are fully reformed, it's not all of them, it's only the best. So add in something like that, are the ones who should pass their perception on crime. Pass on, okay. Pass on their perception, that needs to be a noun, of crime, and spread, that needs to be a verb. Acknowledgement about being a good citizen. I personally support the opinion of those who give a second chance to ones who failed and learned. And so are a good example to younger ones, okay, who pass on their perception about crime and spread acknowledgement about being good citizens to the younger generation. It's this idea of talking to teenagers. So you need to just expand that a little bit there. And obviously accuracy is very important. Firstly, there's a major diversity between teaching students by using a book or by real. Yeah, I wouldn't go live and real because we say real life. So I would go human interaction or human contact. Good point. Research, that's always singular, across the world has confirmed that the best and most comprehensive is the best and superlative most comprehensive way for students to learn to learn, okay, for students to learn is by. So watch out on the grammar. Listening and having the possibility to ask questions directly, absolutely. So this isn't really an author, so this would be to the speaker. So the speaker or lecturer or presenter. Author is for books. So you're talking about a real life speaker. As an example, you don't need that. Take out that. As an example, the past prisoner, comma, who is nowadays wisely conscious about his crimes, yeah, here now the verb might be the most suitable or appropriate person to come into an infinitive here. Express the feelings of guilt, regret and apologies. Absolutely. By having the possibility to talk directly, not by having, just having, because you've got this extra bit of your verb here, is certainly more intensive and encouraging to listeners. I would go to adolescent listeners, because we're not talking about the youngest ones, that would be not appropriate. Adolescent listeners, rather than reading an article. Okay, so you've absolutely got the point. It's a very good comparison you're making there. You've got quite a lot of errors on the structure of these sentences, so that is something that you really need to be looking at. When we work with our students on the online course, we really work sentence by sentence, working on the best possible structure, the best coherence, the best way to get your essay into a really, really good shape for this band 7. Secondly, if the concept of talking to youngsters by past prisoners was spread in countries with a higher range of criminality, there would be a chance to decrease danger and cut the violation. Good, nice, conditional, well done. Violations, we would say that S. such as in Iran, where the violation is common without agent. That sentence structurally does not work. So just grammatically, that doesn't work. So this might be effective in areas or countries such as Iran, where the crime rate, where crime is common. Regardless of age, I think regardless of age, as children often own a pistol at age 9. However, I don't find this relevant. So I would question the relevance of this. Yes, we need to talk to teenagers about it. But so say, this could be, yeah, I don't think you need this bit necessarily. So I see what you're trying to do is sort of say what could be stopped. Theft fighting. Okay, so I think you need then maybe so encouraging teenagers to attend lectures by former criminals rather than teachers or whatever. Might reduce crime or might reduce the temptation to crime. Just trying to work this out. That's funny. Among family members and friends are usually those who are the first victim. Okay, and this only confirms how huge impact on cutting crime in the whole country. Yeah, we're not really talking about cutting crime rates. We're really talking about, are they the best people or not? So here you've said, yes, it's better than a book. So that's this bit. Yeah. You could also say who else could talk to them. So if these prisoners weren't suitable, then other people could talk to them, maybe the police or maybe their teachers. So this essay isn't really about reducing crime. It's talking about telling them about the dangers. So really your focus here needs to be, what's prison like? If they went to prison, what would it be like? It would be like this, so they don't want to do the crime. Okay, not really that. I go, would be a successful policy, or could be successful policy, past criminal who has served his time, needs to keep making this point, and is re-educated. Yeah, keep making the point about this is the best person who's going to look after them. Okay, well done. It's a tricky essay. It's a very difficult essay to write, but you've done well there. There's quite a few little things that would be good to work on. Check out the course. I think that might really guide you. It's very difficult doing IELTS on your own, but really happy to help you. And have a look at what we do. So feedback like this is the best way for you to improve. So well done.